He got that right in there when he hit that speed sign.
I gave Sarah the charge.
Alright everybody, I'm heading out to a police call now. They tried sending it through AAA, but it sounds like this isn't AAA covered. This is a DUI, and the owner crashed into the ditch. So we're gonna head out there, get it out of the ditch, and we'll be going back to the impound yard. But I'll let you guys know when I get there. Stay tuned. I might need to be up a little bit higher just so I can get the front end up on the road here. Okay. And then I can just pick it up and take off that way.
Okay. Do you need me to block off?
Maybe not that side, but maybe just coming up so I can be in this lane a little bit just so I can get the front end over.
Okay. Yeah, I got one of the city guys diverting traffic right now to Frankton.
Oh, okay, cool. So we're good to go then?
Let me just double check real quick.
Yeah.
You just want Frankton close, or you're good up here?
If you want to, that works. Is I can just pull it straight up.
Because I only have one, so I have to go relieve the other guy.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Yeah. Then I'll just stay in the one lane then. That works. Let's see. Go on this side here. And get the front end up. The strap will work for the front. Stuff back in here. Back in there. Okay. This one here might pull out. That's the only thing I'm worried about. I might have to actually wrap the arm itself.
How you doing?
Hello.
I live here. I'm just checking things out.
Yeah, it looks like you hit this tree here.
Is this your car?
Oh no, it's a drunk driver.
Oh, drunk driver already?
Yeah.
You know, you doing okay?
Yeah. Just trying to get underneath it. It kind of buried the tire into the ground here, so I kind of have to.
Did the cops come and they arrest him for drunk driving?
Yeah, he just got arrested, and then they're gonna block off the lane a little bit here.
So you can tow it out?
Yeah, that way we'll get it out of here.
This tree has been hit more than one time.
Oh, I bet.
And someone died actually on the other side right there.
Oh wow, got here.
Yeah.
Where's the strap? Okay, I got the window here.
This time of day.
Yeah. Put this back in here. Oh, got paperwork.
Oh shoot! Did you grab that stuff on the top?
Oh yeah, I just put it back in the car.
Oh, okay. I need to grab it.
Oh, okay. Let's see here. Oh.
You need the keys, right?
Yeah, I'll just need the key. I don't know if you need the other keys off there.
What's that?
Do you need any of the other keys off there, or just? Well, I guess they can come pick it up when they get back.
I'll just I'll leave you with the car key,
Okay, yeah, that works.
and then they can pick the rest.
All right, thank you.
And then I do have a guy out there, so just let me know when I need to block out here.
Okay, yeah, I'm trying to get this last strap on there, and then I'll be all set. Yeah, that works. I know there's a hook up there, but
I'll get the middle hook.
yeah, that works better. Yeah, that'll save me a lot of work if he gets that back hook, because I can pull the front around pretty easy, but the back one, it's buried. I got my front strap on there. They've got a blocker on the bottom of the hill, and then he's gonna block the top there.
So what I'll do there is I'm gonna get my snatch block on this thing.
Yeah,
I'll back up here. I'll wait for you to get out. I'll let you put yourself
yeah,
mid-door.
mid-door.
Because you want to pull it back.
Yeah, I gotta get it back this
So
way.
If you get right here and get both those two wheels with hooks, or run to the front,
Yeah,
one there.
I got one on
and I'll
there.
grab that, and we'll the
I've
three
been,
through, so we yank
I'm having a
shit.
hard time getting anything on the back tire.
Well,
I can go
if
under
you
that
can
bumper.
Find me that hook,
Under that bumper
and
there.
I'll grab that fucker, pull it up while you grab the front, and then you can hook to it and yank it.
Yeah.
So why don't you get yourself in this lane?
Yep.
And then I'll back up and we'll take that spot and we'll
Okay.
get it done.
Yep. Yep. I got this front one wrapped around the A-arm. Oh, you're on your wheel lift. Okay. Yep.
There you go.
What? Yeah. Yep. Okay. I can back up to get the front now.
Yep.
Let's see here. There we go.
This rear wheel is pretty well on the fender.
Oh, it is.
So I could suck it straight back up.
Okay.
Straight, and that way we don't have to worry about
Yeah,
the fender.
I have a key for it too. We can put it in neutral.
Let's just do that.
Okay. Side's got pretty bent.
Alright, then I'll slide back. Do you want to just look that same hook again?
Yep.
That fender winch point works really good.
That's fat. The flatbed works a lot faster than my winch.
Heavier.
Yeah.
With that winch setup, that thing really pulls nice.
Oh yeah.
But it works good as a tandem like we always do too.
Yep.
Makes easy work of it.
Yeah, I didn't realize this wheel was bent.
Got it.
Alright, you're on. Okay, hold on a second. Okay, you're in neutral. Let's see here. Let's see. Yep, you're tight. All right, everybody, we got that one out of there. Man, he went right off the side of the road. Luckily, he didn't hit that tree really hard. It just kind of sunk into the dirt. I didn't realize, but he hit a road sign, so that was underneath the car. And I guess when he hit that, he actually tore off the back passenger side wheel. It was bent into the frame a little bit. So I was originally planning on just picking up the front and going with it, but because of that, we had another driver who was right by us. So he loaded it up. And luckily he has a new tool. It's a winch, basically a winch pole for the flatbed, but it has rollers and everything, and that thing works great. That flatbed acts as a big anchor, so that the flatbed won't move anywhere, and it'll pull that car up no problem. So he hooked onto the back, I hooked onto the front, that way I could get the front up into the road, and it came out really nicely. Turns out that one was a DUI, and so the driver was arrested. We'll get that one back to the impound yard, and we'll go from there. But thanks for watching, guys. Please hit a like on the video. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. There'll be more videos like this coming. I'll show you when we get back to the yard here. Oh yeah. Let's see, he got that right in there when he hit that speed sign.